Hi everyone, I'm Jordan, one of the customer success managers here at GoLinks, and today I wanted to show you all one of our newest features, multi-links. Multi-links makes it so that way you can group a bunch of different GoLinks together under one GoLink, so that way when you use it, it opens up all of them at the same time. For example, let's say that you have multiple different resources that you use to complete a task. Instead of opening up those GoLinks one by one, you can group them together and open them up under one all at the same time. So there's a couple of different ways that you can create a multi-link. You can either do it manually from the dashboard. You can also use the extension. So we're going to go ahead and use the extension. You'll see right here in the middle the section for multi-links. Now I'm going to go ahead and call this GoLink QBR Building because we do quarterly business reviews with our clients. I can then add all of the different GoLinks that I use to complete this one task. So I'm going to do QBR. I'm going to do roadmap. And then I'm also going to do clients. All right, those are all the different GoLinks that I use for this project. I'm going to add a description, creating QBR decks. Once I've done that, I can go ahead and hit create GoLink. And then once I open up a new tab, enter in that GoLink. It will take a couple of seconds and then it will load all of those at the same time. So that is how you create a multi-link. You can use it for anything that you use on a day-to-day basis. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team.